In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can fix crashing and freezing in eFootball. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. To fix crashing and freezing in eFootball, the first thing that you can try to do is hit these three lines there, and then you want to tap onto clear cache like that, and then click on clear. That will clear the cache of your eFootball. And then the next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you're not running a lot of apps while you're running eFootball. So what you can do is you can swipe up and then hit those three lines there. And what you want to do is you want to close out all the unnecessary apps that you're using when it comes to while you're playing eFootball. So you just want to close unnecessary apps like that, which will free up your memory on your phone. And then the next thing that you can do is to clear these data of eFootball. So find the settings app of your phone, then open up settings, then tap on the search bar there, and then you just want to search for eFootball, and then I found it there. So tap onto eFootball and you want to scroll down and you want to tap onto storage. So tap onto storage and there you'll be able to see clear cache. You want to clear the cache and clear the data. Then click on delete, and then you'll be able to fix the crashing and freezing problem. Then it could be that just gets rid of any sort of bugs that may be occurring within the eFootball game. And then the next thing you can do is you can try swipe down, and then the next thing that you can try to do is to swipe down and then hit the power button, and you can restart your device to see if that fixes the problem. And if you've tried all of those, you should fix your problem. If this helps you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.